Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's illuminating our world, quite literally. Let's talk about why LED lights are a game changer. First off, what exactly is an LED? LED stands for light-emitting diode. It's a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current passes through it. Sounds pretty techy, right? But here's the cool part. LEDs are revolutionizing how we light up our spaces. Now let's get into why they're so special. You see, traditional incandescent bulbs waste a lot of energy as heat. LEDs, on the other hand, are super efficient. They use up to 80% less energy than those old-school bulbs. Imagine the savings on your electricity bill. And it doesn't stop there. LEDs have an impressive lifespan. While a regular incandescent bulb might last around 1,000 hours, an LED can keep shining for up to 50,000 hours. That's like running a light for almost 6 years straight. No more frequent bulb changes. But efficiency and longevity aren't the only perks. LEDs are incredibly versatile. They come in a variety of colors and temperatures, making them perfect for any setting, whether it's your cozy living room, a sleek office, or even outdoor spaces. Plus, they're instant on. No more waiting for the light to warm up. And here's something even more exciting for the tech-savvy folks. LEDs are smart-friendly. Yep, you can integrate them with your home automation systems. Control your lights with your voice, your smartphone, or set them on schedules. The future of lighting is here. Let's not forget the environmental impact. LEDs are a greener choice. They contain no harmful chemicals like mercury, which is found in some other lighting options. Plus, their energy efficiency means fewer carbon emissions. Going LED is a small step that can make a big difference for our planet. So next time you're thinking about upgrading your lighting, consider LEDs. They're efficient, long-lasting, versatile, smart-friendly, and eco-conscious. It's like getting the best of all worlds in one tiny bulb. And there you have it. Why LED lights are truly a game changer. If you found this video enlightening, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching and keep shining bright. Catch you in the next one, GRS Tech In.